gallon. And this truck with 6 inches, 7.5 leaves, and 35 tires. Now they give me 12.3, but this is not the real number. I got around 8, 9, something like that. And highway I got 11. I will put a small piece of one video I make on highway, and you can see it's 11, around 70. So I do this video because I want to install the bully dog, and I will compare how is the gas mile with the bully dog. I know it will make difference. Maybe it would be worse because the bully dog is a device for performance. So I will try one and see. You see now it's 10.9 and it's still going down. It go to 9 on the city. So yes, I will let you know and see if the bully dog have at least half, because the price is so high in gas now. So let's see. Now look how the traffic now. Terrible. Yeah, 11.3. It's going better. This is not the real number. I never trust this shit. And this thing, no. I do the math by computer. Come on, buddy. I calculate at the end. I fill the tank and I calculate, the total. And the last time I fill up was mix highway and city was 11 miles per gallon. So normally these trucks, the Nissan Titan, they are really bad in gas. They are really, really, really bad. The engine is awesome, but they are, oh my god, very costly. Yeah, so now it's 11. We throw a little bit more. Exhaust. I don't know if you can hear on the video. Exhaust. Let me see if they open window. It will be hard to hear. So yes, thank you. I will let you know how it compared to the bully dog in the next video. Thank you. Bye.